In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document using Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a hard copy of your latest report, a school project, or just need a physical document for any reason, Google Docs makes it a breeze to print directly from your document. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring your document looks exactly as you need it. Once you've completed your document, you'll first want to make sure everything is polished and ready to be printed. Take a moment to review your content, check your formatting, and ensure there are no errors that might slip through the net. Remember, a final, thorough check can save you from having to print it again later. Next, navigate to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the menu. Here, you need to click on File. This opens up a drop-down menu with a range of options for managing your document. It's important to familiarize yourself with these as they include everything from sharing options and the revision history to downloading your document in various formats. From this menu, you'll locate the Print option. Clicking on Print will open a preview screen that gives you a chance to see what your document will look like on paper. This screen is crucial because it helps you catch any last-minute formatting issues and lets you adjust your print settings according to your needs. Now, we reach the Customize Your Print Details section. This is where you can make several adjustments to ensure your document prints just the way you want it. You can select the number of copies you need, choose specific pages to print if you don't require the entire document, and adjust other settings like page orientation and margin size. Take your time here to configure these details to your satisfaction. Remember, these settings will directly affect how your document turns out in print. Once everything is set up to your liking, go ahead and click on the Print button. Your document will then be sent to your connected printer. It's a good practice to ensure your printer is loaded with the right paper and is connected properly to avoid any uninterpreted complications. And there you have it. Your document should be printing as we speak. You've successfully navigated through the process of printing a document directly from Google Docs. Not only does this enhance your document management skills, but it also saves you time and effort when needing a physical copy. Thank you for joining me today to master this simple yet essential task in Google Docs. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, happy printing!